Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to the channel I Rumors. You would have seen the review of the Samsung NP275E4V laptop. Today I'm going to be using the laptop and I'm going to be showing all of you how you can replace the RAM on this laptop. I'm sure not a lot of you have this laptop and I'm sure like not a lot of you are going to be even keeping it. But why am I still doing this video? I just want to do it just because if any one of you if you're looking up to how to do a RAM upgrade, even if this video helps just one person, I'll be really happy. But I've personally had a lot of experiences searching for repair videos on specific products and not being able to find them. So I'm just doing this for all of you, those of you who are looking for this video. Without further ado, let's get started right into upgrading the RAM on the Samsung laptop. Okay, I'm not going to be taking much of your time. We've got this laptop turned around in place. We've got a magnetic pad right here. So let's start right into the repair. I'm not going to waste a lot of your time. I've got my toolkit. Usually it takes a bit of time to fit and see which screw is perfect. So let me just zoom in here. We've got just one screw. Just got to remove this one screw. So I've got a few bits over here. We've got to try and test out which one works. Most of the time I just do a trial and error to see which screw actually works. So I'm just going to be removing it. And there we go. Once the first screw here is removed, we just got to slide the bottom cover down. Just slide it down, open it up. So we've got the RAM over here. We've got two RAM slots. Here you can see that we have two sort of clips over here. I don't know whether I can zoom it in and show you. I think I can zoom it in so you can see there's a small clip over here and another one over here. That is the same one that goes for the bottom here too. So all we gotta do is press it to the side, just open it up. That's it. Once you open it up, the RAM is lifted up and you just remove it. Same goes for the other side. I think here you can see it more clearly. I'm gonna use my fingernails, tip of my fingernails, go in here, just pry it open. That's it. And remove the RAM. Once both the RAM slots have been removed, take your new RAM. I'm going to be using my old RAM, but for you can take your new RAM, go on top, just slide it in. You don't have to do anything, just slide it in. Slide into the slot, and once you know it's into the slot, just press it down. Just be gentle with it. You can hear the audible click, and that's how you know it's seated in place. Same goes for the bottom side too. Slip it in and just press it down. There you go. You can hear the click, and now this is how you know the RAM has been upgraded. And once that's done, before you screw it in, it's time to turn on the laptop and see if the RAM is working. Okay, we've turned the laptop on. Now let's wait for it. As you can see, the laptop is now booting up, but that is not enough. We still have to wait for the laptop to boot up, and we're going to take a look at the technical specifications and check if the RAM is in place. Because sometimes even if one RAM is here in place and the other one is not, it will still boot up with just 2 GB of RAM. You just have to wait and see. Okay, don't get on me for using Geekbench to check on the system information, but because that's all I can do. Now the laptop is booted up, you can see memory 4GB DDR3 RAM. So that just means our upgrade on the RAM has been successful. I really wish I can see it on some other apps, but if you have any other apps that can show system information on Windows, just like an easy format to read on, I would really appreciate if you could leave it in the comments below, because I could really use it in my other Windows repair videos. So yeah, that's actually been it for this repair. I will rate this repair about 2 out of 10 because it's actually pretty easy, just a usual RAM upgrade. Even if this is your first time, I guess it's actually pretty easy compared to Macs. But just make sure you place the RAM correctly, because if you don't place it correctly, there's a chance for the RAM to snap and you might have to order a new one. So that's actually the only kind of concern for it. Now that this repair is successful, we just gotta close it up and we gotta just screw it back in place. Close it in, slide it back in place, take the screw, put it back here, and we just gotta screw it back in place. This repair is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'll probably just rate it a 1 or 2 out of 10. It's such a simple repair, you don't really have much work to do. Just one screw out and the repair is actually done. So that's actually been it for this video. I'm not sure how many of you are using this laptop. I'm sure not a lot of you are using this laptop. But if you're one of those few that's using this laptop and this video actually helped you, I'd really appreciate if you could leave it in the comments below. I really appreciate it. I'll really be happy if this video even helps just one person. But for the rest of you who are watching this video just to gain some knowledge on self-repair, if you learned it well, if this helped you, leave it in the comments below as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you're doing, like button, get subscribed, turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Bye bye.